Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Messenger voice messages. So if this video helps you, like, subscribe, and yeah, so let's get right started. So open up a chat you have your Facebook voice message in and that you want to save. It can be from you, it can be from a different person, and then make sure you have the volume turned up. And yeah, by the way, if this video helps you, like, subscribe, and then if you didn't understand something, just comment. So enough talking, let's right start. So as I said, do what I said, and just open up the guy you want to save your voice messages from. And yeah, so what you simply do is then go down and click on these three dots, and there should be a download button. You can click on it, and if you don't, most of you are on your phone, so go up and then click on screen record and then turn on your microphone, and you can record your voice message. You can like record it and then send to other people. And if you don't want it to be a video, you can export it with CapCut. And yeah, so yeah, I hope this video helped you. Like, subscribe, have a great day.